Good day, students. Welcome to today's lesson on development of surfaces, complete revision in technical drawing. This lesson is part of your SS3 Senior Secondary School curriculum, approved by NERDC, the National Educational Research and Development Council of Nigeria. Today we will define development of surfaces, complete revision, explore its key principles, look at examples from Nigerian life, and summarize what you need to know for your examinations. Whether you are preparing for your BECE, WAEC, or NECO, this lesson will help you build the knowledge and confidence you need. Let's get started. So, what is development of surfaces, complete revision? From the market of Onitsha, to the oil fields of Rivers State, to the groundnut pyramids once found in Kano, development of surfaces, complete revision connects your classroom to the real Nigeria you live in. Now let's look at the core principles. These are what you must know for your examinations. Principle 1. This is the basis of development of surfaces, complete revision. It tells us what development of surfaces, complete revision is, where it comes from, and what it applies to. Make sure you write this in your notebook. Now, examples. This is where learning becomes real. Example 1. Imagine a student in Ibadan studying technical drawing. She notices a situation in her household that involves development of surfaces, complete revision. Let's analyze this together. Did you see how we applied the principle step by step? That is exactly what WAEC examiners expect from you. Now, example 2. This one is slightly different. Notice how even though the context is different, a market trader in ABA versus a farmer in Plateau State, the same principles apply. That is the beauty of technical drawing, the knowledge travels with you. Before we finish, let me share the top mistakes students make on this topic. Mistake 1. Memorizing without understanding. If you only memorize the definition of development of surfaces, complete revision without understanding it, you will struggle with application questions. Always ask yourself, why is this true? Mistake 2. Ignoring Nigerian examples. Nigerian examiners expect you to connect your knowledge to local context. Practice giving Nigerian examples for every concept you learn. Mistake 3. Skipping diagrams. Many marks are available for neat labeled diagrams. Never skip this. Excellent work today, students. Let us review what we covered. Keep studying hard. Visit Litech Academy at academy.litech.com.ng for more NERDC-approved lessons from JSS 1 to SS3, all subjects, all terms. Powered by Litech Solutions Limited. Nigeria's future is bright because of dedicated students like you. Good luck in your examinations. Until next time.